welcome back to a new video. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe and make sure you click on the little bell next to it to get notified anytime I post a new video. Right now, guys, I'm gonna bring you guys along. We are going, what happened? They crashed to the train and to go see the lights and hopefully see Santa. I'll bring you guys along the night, so stay tuned. We made it on the train, guys. So excited. We got Lila in the car. Oh shit. we need a little warning. That is so beautiful. I'm excited. Fuck him. Wow, guys, they really did their thing this time. Why is it doing that? Look at the Grinch! The last train. It was awesome.
Yeah, the ornament. Look.
I know they turned off the tree. It was so pretty. Is that a real tree?
No.
Right away.
What do you think? There we have my other baby, my big baby. I want to see if this is a real tree. It's so cold, but the train was so pretty. Worth it. Definitely.
Look at me.
Look at the sleigh, you
Skylar.
guys.
Look this way, Skylar.
Sleigh. Is it real, Lila?
Hey, look at me and say cheese.
Huh?
You think? No, it's not.
They have real ones.
But this one ain't.
Yeah, it is real.
It's probably from Israel.
I wanted it on. This little sleigh. It's a playground. They literally turned it on, guys. Look at how beautiful. Just for us.
Dad, I did it. Dad, I did it.
Yeah, you're gonna start a
Camera.
Okay, what was your favorite part? Get over here and tell them.
Like little camping.
The camp? Which one?
Campfire.
Like where the yellow lights are, like our house.
That was the tree. The tree lot. That was my favorite part. I said that was my favorite part. Oh my god. What was your favorite part?
Mine?
Yeah.
Honestly, I liked all of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, to be honest.
Guys, this time they did it so different. Like they had the there's a Grinch, but we didn't catch him this time. Oh, this is a crazy exit. We didn't catch him.
He's gonna be there tomorrow.
And then yeah, he'll be there tomorrow. And then that sounds good right now. For us, burger. Ruth's Chris is right across, and
Want one?
last time we went there,
It's up to you.
if we all are gonna eat, then yeah, but I don't know. But anyways, guys, they had the fire thing on there, like the, what do they call it? Like the little to do s'mores. They had so much more lights, like throughout the whole place. So many more lights. It was so beautiful. We're super blessed this year, guys. Super blessed, to say the least. I loved it, and the kids got to see Santa. I loved it. It was a successful night, to say the least, because I don't know, it was kind of looking a little rough there for a minute, but
We got tickets.
we got tickets. But yeah, guys, it was so
Call that
fun.
10:30, babe.
Roots. Guys, look at how beautiful these lights on the houses look. So pretty. Huh? Morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you share. Make sure you like. Today, guys, is we are on a Friday, and we have a lot of things to do. But first, before we get into anything, you guys already know what the deal is. We have to get our coffee. We do have a couple of things to do today. One of them includes like going over to my nephew's school. I have to get all my content ready, like have it ready. And then today's basically like a lot of content day that I need to get done, and I must. So I started my day off bright and early. It is really early right now, and I am super happy because I want to get going already. Like I want to get everything off my to-do list done. So, are you guys one of those people that has like a to-do list and no? Okay, but anyways, guys, let's get my coffee done. I'm surprised that I'm this like chatty and stuff because I have not yet had my coffee, but I'm so excited to make it. Like I dream about it. I wake up thinking, like I'm literally like in bed thinking like, what kind of coffee am I gonna have tomorrow? I know you guys always see me like going to Dunkin's, getting my Dunkin's, but I do have my days where I'm just like, I want this type of coffee today, or whatever. Coffee people know what I'm talking about, hopefully, but if not, then I'm sorry. Enough of this. But anyways, guys, let's have a good weekend. Christmas is almost here. I cannot believe it, but let's get this day started. Look at how cute my cup of today. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. But also, cup, ice, everything matters in your coffee. if you are a coffee lover, because trust me, I'm like, it's gonna taste so much better in this cup or in this mug, or it matters, trust me. We're all ready to go to my nephew's concert, and hopefully we can make it to a Dutch that's nearby. But yeah, I will see you guys once we make it there. And guys, I've literally had like, I might have had of coffee, but no pasa nada. I still want Dutch. I'll get a little tea. Guys, we have made it to his school finally. Oh, that's what's up. It's going fast. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, have mercy.